Right from the canning method made me excited by the eye-catching textures on the box. The front tells us that this is the 12GB RAM, 256GB ROM version. How to close the box firmly, when opened, is to see has. Inside the product, the highlight is the 65-watt SuperVOOC quick charger and the USB-C connector are white. Feeling holding the Oppo Find X2 sleeveless dress, the weight of the device is quite heavy. Of course, it is a high-end device, so the product is finished with luxurious glass and metal. The front of Oppo Find X2 is a curved screen, slightly curved than Note 10 Plus. When performing touch operation, I still feel comfortable. The surrounding screen border is fragile and attractive. There is a mole on the left, although this is not new but easier to see than rabbit ears. This product has a screen called UltraVision, which provides a quality and enjoyable viewing experience. It has a 120Hz refresh rate screen, which makes images always displayed smooth and an interactive scan frequency of 240Hz, which helps speed up the response after a quick touch. Not only that, the screen of Oppo Find X2 also supports 2K resolution. The screen honestly displays up to 1 billion colors, 10-bit. Notably, the display of this product received A+ certification from DisplayMate and a certificate from TÜV Rheinland, which reduces blue light by up to 40%. Oppo also introduced the Find X201 UltraVision engine technology with two main features, Motion Clear and HDR Enhancer. The Motion Clear feature gives the device the ability to upgrade from 30 to 60 or 120 FPS. This monitor also supports the HDR10 Plus standard monitor and is the first device on the market to convert standard content into HDR video. It is known that HDR Enhancer is supported by partners from Amazon, YouTube. Truly reproduced colors and picture quality are nothing to criticize. No wonder DisplayMate rated this A+ quality screen. High-frequency scanning screen, the touch is also very fast, has an advantage in watching content and games. But very few applications actually support such a high-frequency screen. Regarding camera, Find X2 is equipped with 3-camera system including 48MP main camera Sony IMX586 sensor, 13MP optical zoom camera and 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera. This camera system supports low light mode, night shooting, 10x hybrid zoom mode, macro photography and all-round focus technology in all pixels. The back of the machine stands out with a cluster of 3 cameras located vertically quite prominent compared to the back with LED flash. Users need to preserve this camera cluster from scratches. The back is also beveled to give a pleasant grip. Oppo Find X2 has Super 2.0 video stabilization mode for wider viewing, stabilization and sharper images when recording video, HDR live video recording mode, capable of color calibration, light balance, and clarification. Details in dark areas. Find X2 has built-in 3-mic audio recognition, which can reduce noise, capture 360 degrees and zoom into objects when recording videos to get sharp sound. To power 120Hz screen, video performance and powerful hardware, Find X2 is equipped with a large-capacity 4200 mAh battery, incorporating Oppo's latest super-fast charging technology, SuperVOOC 2.0. SuperVOOC 2.0 can fully charge Find X2 with a 4200 mAh battery in just 38 minutes. Oppo equips the device with the most advanced ColorOS version, ColorOS 7.1 customized with the Android user interface. In addition, Find X2 is equipped with Snapdragon 865 processor combining 12GB RAM and 256GB ROM. Thanks for watching guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.